TEVA stock. Super interesting. This is I'm going to show you my exact play, my technical analysis and price predictions in this 1-minute video for the next week and onward with Teva Pharmaceuticals. We're in this correction phase, and actually I don't think it's a bad thing regarding Teva's performance here, right? Because I'm actually waiting for those corrections. I was praying for these corrections, and the only thing that I'm praying even more now is the confirmation, because I can only really call it like the way that I'm using my approach. Correction is a must in a way, you know, it kind of works in tandem in order for me to buy, right? And if it does not matter, like, doesn't matter how high it is, I'm just not gonna buy at the top, right? I just love the correction, and then if there's a confirmation, then I'm buying, right? So I do have other receipts in my Discord regarding Teva, and in this particular instance, definitely gonna take some time. I mean, maybe like this is gonna be the whole blast for the next week, and I'm okay with that. Last thing that I'm gonna come here and do is force. So if you want to learn how I'm making 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free indicators, free emails actually.